this video I'm going to show you how to thicken your African black soap. I do have a recipe for how to make your liquid African black soap. I'll leave it in the description box below. For this I'm going to be using some guar gum or guar conditioner. So here I've got a tablespoon of guar gum in a bowl, and I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of just boiled hot water to that, and I'm going to mix it till I get like a porridge-like consistency. You only need a small amount of the guar gum because it really does expand, so if you put too much you're going to ruin your whole batch of black soap, so just be careful. In that container over there I've got about approximately a kilo of black soap, and to a kilo I only added 1 tablespoon of guar gum mixed with 4 tablespoons of just boiled water. Once I've got the porridge-like consistency that I'm looking for, I'm going to pour it into the black soap and I'm going to stick blend it together just to make sure it mixes properly. Guar gum is amazing. It's actually, even though it acts as a thickener, it also helps to add a lot of moisture to the skin as well, so your skin doesn't feel too dry after you've had a shower. It's great for hair as well, if you want to consider adding it to your shampoos and stuff like that. So yeah, that's all I'm going to do. It does expand over time, so once I've added it in and stick blended it together, I need to allow it to cool completely before you pour it into your bottle, otherwise it will separate, and that's the last thing that you want. Depending on the thickness of the black soap as well, you can add a little bit more, but you need to be just really careful. I say this because I have done it before with the wrong measurements and my whole black soap was ruined, so yeah, just be mindful of that. I allowed it to cool, and then I came back and I stick blended it again, and then I covered it with cling film and left it overnight. You need to leave it overnight to make sure it's completely cooled, because sometimes it might seem like it's cooled but it may not be completely cooled, and if it's not completely cooled then it means it hasn't finished expanding. So as you can see, it's already starting to thicken up a little bit. It's not as light as it was earlier on when we first added the guar gum. So yeah, it's going to keep getting thicker and thicker over time. So this is the next day. It's completely cooled. There is a bit of a separation. I tried to show you, but it was a bit hard to do without spilling it. So the guar gum had kind of settled at the bottom, and this is why you need to make sure it's completely cool to allow you to stick blend it together again before pouring it into bottles, because you don't want to pour it into the bottles and then it separates, because then it's hard to get it mixed up again. So I don't know if you can tell, but there's a thicker consistency at the bottom. So I'm going to stick blend it to mix it all together, and that's pretty much it, and then it's ready to go. It does take some time to do, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty simple, and your black soap will last a lot longer when it's thicker. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, share this video with a friend, give this video a thumbs up, and I guess I will see you in my next video. Take care guys, bye.